Ever wondered how many people are actually using GrabPay? I mean, we see it everywhere, right? From hawker stalls to high-end restaurants, the familiar green logo pops up. But is it actually as popular as it seems, or is it just clever marketing? That's what we're diving into today. Before we get into the numbers, let's talk about why digital payment methods like GrabPay have become so prevalent. Think back just a few years. We were fumbling with cash, counting out notes, and waiting for change. It was clunky, sometimes inconvenient, and definitely not hygienic. Then came the rise of e-wallets and cashless transactions. Suddenly, paying for anything became as simple as tapping your phone. No more digging for coins, no more worrying about having the right amount. It was a revolution in convenience. And GrabPay was right there at the forefront. They weren't just offering a payment solution, they were building an ecosystem. Integrating ride-hailing, food delivery, and even financial services into a single platform. This super app strategy made GrabPay more than just a payment method, it became a lifestyle choice for many. Need a ride? Use Grab. Hungry? Order through GrabFood. Want to pay for your groceries? GrabPay. It's all interconnected, making it incredibly sticky for users. But popularity isn't just about convenience. It's also about trust. And Grab has worked hard to build that trust. They've invested in security measures, ensuring that user data and transactions are protected. They've also offered various promotions and rewards, incentivizing users to adopt and stick with the platform. Cashback, discounts, and loyalty programs all contribute to the perception of value, making GrabPay an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. So, how popular is GrabPay? While precise figures can be tricky to pin down, especially across different regions, we can look at some indicators. Grab itself boasts millions of users across Southeast Asia, and a significant portion of those users are actively engaged with GrabPay. Industry reports consistently rank GrabPay among the top e-wallet platforms in the region, often vying for the #1 spot. Anecdotally, just look around you. How many times do you see someone using their phone to pay for something? And how often is that phone displaying the GrabPay interface? The ubiquity of the platform is undeniable. Of course, competition is fierce. Other e-wallets are constantly vying for market share, offering their own unique features and benefits. But GrabPay's early entry into the market, coupled with its comprehensive ecosystem, has given it a significant edge. They've managed to integrate themselves seamlessly into the daily lives of millions of people, making them a dominant player in the digital payments landscape. Beyond just the numbers, GrabPay's popularity is also reflected in its acceptance by merchants. From small street vendors to large retail chains, the vast majority now accept GrabPay as a form of payment. This widespread acceptance further reinforces its popularity and creates a network effect. The more merchants that accept GrabPay, the more users will be inclined to use it. And the more users that use GrabPay, the more merchants will be compelled to accept it. It's a virtuous cycle that has helped GrabPay solidify its position in the market. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.